Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I make lifestyle, beauty, and fashion videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also, I've decided that once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. So today's video is going to be a what not to buy at ARITZIA. And if you're not new here, you know I love ARITZIA. I have made so many different videos on them. Some of my favorite clothing pieces that I own are from them. But I've never really talked about the pieces that haven't worked out for me, or pieces that I don't think are worth the money, or that I regret buying. So I felt like this would be a good video to kind of share with you those pieces so that maybe you can save some money yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up is going to be this cardigan. It is the Cabrera cardigan from Wilfred, and this is it. I believe I shared this in my very first ARITZIA haul video that I posted. It's just this gray cardigan here. So I do like this cardigan. I actually wore it yesterday. It's a nice thick material and it's pretty soft. Usually with wool cardigans, they're really itchy and just uncomfortable, and that's just not the case with this one. However, this thing pills like crazy. It pilled after the first wear, and this was very, very expensive. I think it's like $140 or something like that. For me personally, spending that much money on something and then it pilling is very disappointing. I do have a fabric shaver. I actually have it over here. Let's see. This is from Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys, but it's a fabric shaver and I use it on this and it works like a charm, and this is like back to new, but it's just a little irritating that I have to do that because I spent so much money on it, and for me personally, I feel like I shouldn't have to use this every single time I wear this cardigan. So I feel like this is something where you can find something that is very comparable for a quarter of the price, and yeah, I don't think it's worth the money. Alright, next up, now before you guys freak out on me, just hear me out, okay? This is the TNA boyfriend hoodie in this specific color, okay? Because you guys know, if you've seen any of my other ARITZIA videos, I love the TNA boyfriend hoodies. They are my absolute favorite hoodies. But this color in particular, even though it is absolutely gorgeous, I mean, it's the perfect fall winter color, this thing stains everything. And this is the GD or garment dyed dark clove, and I have other garment dyed pieces from them and I haven't experienced this issue with the other ones, just this one, so I feel like it is just this color. But this thing stains everything. If you don't want it to stain, you need to make sure that you wash it by itself. I'm someone that I just can't remember to separate it. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I always forget to separate it and then it stains all my clothes in the wash. It's very heartbreaking. So on their website, they do say for the garment dyed to make sure you wash them first by themselves before wearing, and I did do that and it still stains wash after wash. So if you're someone that can remember to wash this on its own, then it might work out for you, but for me, I just always forget, and then it ends up in the wash with all my other clothes, and then I have a nice red tint on all of my clothes. So unfortunately, cannot recommend this color, even though it is beautiful. Alright, next up, I don't have it with me, but I'll put it on the screen because I actually returned it, but it is the Virgil shirt jacket by Wilfred, I believe, and this just did not fit me well at all. It was just extremely boxy. It didn't give me like any shape, and even though it is like an oversized shirt jacket, it just did not look good. Like, I felt like I was just drowning in it, and I love oversized clothing. Like, a lot of my fall and winter clothing are very oversized. I just like that. I like being cozy, but this just did not work, and I just did not like it, so I returned it, and it was pretty expensive, so for me it just was not worth the price. I do think that if you are wanting to get like a shirt jacket from ARITZIA for the fall, I would go for the Ghana jacket. It's very popular. Everyone raves about it. It's the same type of look, but I feel like that's a safer bet than the Virgil one just because everyone loves the Ghana. So if you are thinking about getting one for the fall, I would definitely go with the Ghana jacket over the Virgil one. In my opinion, I just did not like it. I did not like how it fit, and I just don't think it was worth the price. All right, next up, this is the Cozy, what is this? So this is the Cozy Fleece Perfect Zip Up Hoodie. You probably remember seeing it in one of my other hauls. The one thing that I just really don't like about this is the fit of it. So because it has a hood and it is cropped, the hood's a little heavy, so it weighs it down in the back, and it makes like the zipper part go up, and it kind of like chokes you a bit. Like, I'll put a video on the screen of what I'm talking about, but yeah, the fit is just a little bit weird, and because the hood is a little heavier, it does weigh it down a bit and it makes it fit a little weird. So this is just something that I think isn't worth it for me personally, because I just don't gravitate to it at all. I wish I would have just gotten another boyfriend zip up hoodie, because I have 2 of them and I wear them all the time. If you are thinking about getting a zip up hoodie, I would definitely recommend the boyfriend zip up over this one, because again, the fit is just a little bit weird. So yeah, I just wish I would have gotten another boyfriend zip up instead of this one. All right, so next up, this may be a surprise. These are the TNA boyfriend sweatpants. I have them here in black. These have a lot of good reviews on ARITZIA, and that's why I'm kind of surprised that I don't like them as much. For me, I don't like the fit. I'm only 5'3", and they come up like above my ankle, and they just kind of hit me in a weird spot. They're also not high-waisted, and I just personally prefer a high-waisted sweatpant, so I feel like that and the fact that it just hits me a little bit weird is why I don't gravitate towards these. And I feel like they're a little stiff. They're just not the coziest to wear, and I feel like that's an unpopular opinion because they have so many good reviews on their website for these. But yeah, they just didn't work out for me. I feel like if you are taller than 5'3", they're probably going to be really short on you, because I feel like they're short on me and I'm only 5'3". So yeah, I just don't like how they fit. I don't like that they're not high-waisted, and I just don't think they're worth the price. I will say my favorite pair of black sweatpants that I own are actually from Target. I showed them in my last like weekend vlog where I went to Target, and they are the, what are they called? Wild Fable sweatpants. They are so comfortable, so cozy, and they fit really well, and they're only like $20, so I would definitely pick those over these. So yeah, I just feel like for me personally, they didn't work out. I didn't like the fit, and I just don't think they're the coziest for the price point. Last but not least, this is the TNA Pillow Puffer Jacket. It's just a really lightweight puffer zip up jacket. It's actually a packable one, which is nice. I do like that. But this thing was ridiculously expensive, and I just think it is not worth the price. This is definitely something that I regret buying. I think it was like $100, and it's just, in my opinion, just not worth it. It's nothing special. I feel like you could find this somewhere else for like $20 or $30. So for me, this is definitely something that I regret buying, and I feel like you should definitely save your money on if you're thinking about buying it. I just feel like it is really overpriced. So for me, not worth it. Definitely could find something a lot cheaper somewhere else. Alright guys, so that is it for my what not to buy at ARITZIA for the fall. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what pieces from ARITZIA have not worked out for you, or let me know what your favorite pieces are. I would love to know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!